What's up guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. In this video you will be seeing the upgrade I will be doing to my Jeep Wrangler. I just bought some new headlights with halogen eye ring that does daytime running light as well as turn signals. So in this video you will be seeing the unboxing of the headlights that are right here in front of me, as well as the installation on the Jeep. It's not hard to do, so if you're thinking on upgrading your Jeep with some of these headlights, you can see the installation and you can do it yourself. So here it's the unboxing of the headlights. These are LEDs headlights. I decided to go with black ones, but you can buy them in chrome as well. So they have this big halo ring that will be the daytime running light and will become turn signal as well, and turn orange of course. So this is the headlight. So my friends, really simple to remove the stock headlights. You have these screws over here, 4 of them. You just remove them and take out the stock headlight. Really simple. So I just removed the stock headlight. So really simple. You just plug to the OEM harness this the new connections. And you plug to the new headlight. So you have 2 wires here. One is for the power for the daytime running light, and the other one, the yellow one, it's for the turn signal. So when you turn on the turn signal, your daylight running LED will turn orange and will blink, will become your turn signal, as well as the small one here. Here, friends, everything is connected. So as you can see, we just tied everything really well with this zip ties here, and also here in the connection we use some tape, so we are sure that this doesn't go anywhere and there is no water coming in to the connections. So as you can see, we use a red wire and a black wire. The red one it's for the daytime running light, and the black one it's for the turn signal power. So when I turn the turn signal, it gives the information to the headlight, so the daytime running light will turn orange and will become a turn signal also. So guys, everything is well connected. So now I will try to see if everything is working correct. So daytime running light, really bright as you can see. Turn signal, when I turn the turn signal, the daytime running light turns the turn signal. Really nice, as well as the stock turn signal. Now low beam and high beam. Really bright, really nice lights. Here you can see a big difference between the stock headlights and the LED headlights. The right one, as you can see, is the LED light. Really impressive. So this is low beam, this is high beam. Low beam, high beam, really good. really happy with this light. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you're not my subscriber, please do so, and be safe out there. Thank you so much.